In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Weber account. Before we start, a quick note. Deleting an account will end your access and stop future billing, so make sure this is the action you want and that you're authorized to make changes on the account. Have your login details ready and use the official AWeber site in a secure browser window. First, log into your AWeber account. On the sign-in page, enter your credentials and complete any security checks. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner. You'll see your account name. Click that to open the account menu. This is the quickest way to reach the settings you need. In the menu that appears, choose My Account. When the account area loads, click the Billing tab. This section shows your current plan, invoices, and payment details. Take a moment to review what's shown so you know exactly what's being canceled and when your current billing period ends. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the billing page. There you'll find the option labeled Close My Account. Click it to begin the closure process. AWeber will warn you about what happens when an account is closed, such as the loss of access to your dashboard and any active services. To finish up, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to share a brief reason for leaving. Provide the requested information, then continue through the confirmation screens. Read each message carefully so you understand the effect on any remaining time in your billing cycle. When you reach the final confirmation, approve the closure. After confirming, watch for an on-screen success message and a confirmation email sent to the address associated with your account. Keep that message for your records. If you stay signed in, you may still see cached pages. A quick refresh, sign out, and sign back in will reflect the change. That's the entire process. Log in, open the account menu from the bottom left, go to My Account, select the Billing tab, scroll down to Close My Account, and confirm the prompts. Take your time with each screen and you'll be done in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free. If anything looks different on your screen, interfaces change from time to time, but the path remains the same. Account name, My Account, Billing, then Close My Account. Pause the video and follow along at your own pace.